Did you know one battle literally created America as we know it? In 1781, British General Cornwallis felt completely safe in Yorktown, Virginia. He had fortified the coastal town perfectly, with the mighty Royal Navy protecting his back. What he didn't know was that George Washington was secretly coordinating the most brilliant trap in military history. French ships were racing across the Atlantic while Washington marched south with his army. When Cornwallis looked out to sea expecting British reinforcements, he saw French warships instead. His escape route was completely cut off. For weeks, American and French forces tightened the noose around Yorktown. Cornwallis realized the horrifying truth: no help was coming. On October 19th, he surrendered his entire army. British troops marched out playing "The World Turned Upside Down." And it literally was. The world's greatest empire had just lost to a colonial rebellion. That single moment gave birth to the United States of America.